So Jollibee's mission is to serve great tasting food, bringing the joy of eating to everyone. And as we grow the business here in North America, we serve more customers. So it becomes imperative that we serve them with safe food and high quality products. Hi, I'm Colleen Celis, Senior Quality Manager for Jollibee North America, which also covers Red Ribbon and Chowking restaurants. As a Senior Quality Manager, my role entails driving food safety through innovations and simplifying systems in our Jollibee restaurants. We recognize the need for innovation and state-of-the-art technology because our thrust is to empower our teams and provide them with the right technology so that they can do their job well. So we had to look for a partner that could automate our manual monitoring system. So with the SmartSense system, the company is able to provide us with an automated system that alerts the team and empowers them, and they can give quick corrective actions when they need to.
Well, SmartSense made our lives way easy. I mean, having the information at the right time, we were able to make decisions, snap of our fingers and check the stores, what's happening here, and plus the notifications that we get every time that, oh hey, a warmer's not working or a freezer is not working. It really helps us a lot. And you also eliminated some of the unusual trends that some people do, wherein they would just fill up the checklist at the end of the day, not realizing the importance of what they're supposed to be doing, which is an impact to our customers.
We're using the SmartSense in getting the product temperature, covering the days and night shift. The SmartSense wireless sensor tracks the actual temperature of our cold storages. And then the SmartSense notified us if the temperature is beyond the standard, so we can act accordingly. We use also the system in our product traceability for us to be reminded on our product shelf life and consume until dates. And being an area manager of Jollibee, I was able to analyze each store performance when it comes to food safety using the SmartSense data, which is readily available in the SmartSense web application. It is very simple and easy to understand.
It's one of the benefits of using SmartSense. We're able to focus more on talking to people, being at the counter more, being at the dining area more, rather than spending an hour or 2 hours writing down on the checklist what's the temperature of this and write the temperature of that.
So we looked at other providers, but we chose SmartSense because they were willing to work with us in customizing what we actually need for our business.
The store were able to use it without any issues at all. And because of the benefits that we're getting using this SmartSense, all our team members were able to understand its importance. So it's easy to train because of that.
So on top of the temperature monitoring, we can include other checklists into the system like quality checks, shift management, and even safety checks. So this helps our team in monitoring their day-to-day activities.
I believe that the operations leaders, even the marketing in all departments, can use it, knowingly that they can easily access information from where they're at.
And we don't even have to be in the store or actively auditing the store to know what happens in terms of temperature trends and compliance trends.
Imagine you have to go to the store physically to check what's happening. And like this time, it's notification, it's there, it's easy. You can actually just access it everywhere. Even in the airport, I would be like, let me check my store's performance on this. There was one time that I already got a notification on my phone that one of my freezer's temperature went up. By the time that the store called me, I already called the workers to actually have it repaired. So imagine being step ahead all the time.
This is very helpful for us. In fact, even our health inspectors appreciate our use of SmartSense. So really it has helped us in our thrust to ensure food safety and food quality.